We work in a very hallucination-sensitive context. In areas like legal, cost of error can be very high. And GitHub Copilot CLI was the first time I saw something that felt like a tipping point. The more I used it, the more I started pushing it. I would throw increasingly complex things at it, or things that I thought, no way could a tool do this, and it did them. One day I was reviewing analysis that CLI generated, and it kept referring to source docs. The time it took to be jumping between docs to verify it was a lot. I told it, let's build a skill that embeds inline screenshots of the relevant portions of the documents, and that led to eyeball. It helped me verify the AI outputs with my eyeball. When it tells me, for example, here, there's something about the indemnity clause I should pay attention to and why, I don't need to believe it. I can see it. It puts the relevant screenshot there and highlights for me the text that is driving its conclusions. Trust is important because we act on what we're getting out of these tools. We need to know that what we act on has a solid basis in truth. Copilot CLI spread like wildfire over a month or two, and now we have every lawyer in GitHub working in the terminal, which was not on my bingo card. Don't hold back on what you ask the tool to do, because you'll probably be surprised. I'm Dan, a lawyer at GitHub, and now an open source developer.